Alright, so this is how you make like a spot welder. You take a microwave transformer. You will take out the top coil, which is called the secondary coil. It took a while for me. I had to drill it out and just took a little chisel and chiseled away. Just be careful not to wreck this one. Or if you leave it in the secondary coil, you can make a Jacob's ladder, which is pretty cool because the Jacob's ladder needs high voltage, and what you're going to do with this is you're going to make high current with low voltage. So to do that, you're going to take this these jump bar cables, or just thicker cable, like just wire like this. If you look at that, it's just copper. It's insulated, so you're going to take that, put it through here, go around like this. It's going to go in like that, come out the other end. Make it relatively tight. Not so tight that you won't be able to wrap it. Like this, you're going to make it about 3 turns. This one like that. You're going to want to wedge it in there. So it's really, should be not super tight, but pretty wedged. And I like to have longer ends, so that way when they melt, I can just cut away a little bit instead of having to get a whole new one, because I don't want the sparks to be close to my hand. So I'm going to take the second one that was hanging out from here like this, and we'll loop it around, put it back in. And actually I made a mistake here. You want to make it so they loop well, so I accidentally had it going underneath it, or above it. And I'm trying to make it go underneath like that. So in the back right here, everything's clean. Like that. And there you have it. Cool. You're going to want to take these two. You can cut them to however long you want, or you can just keep them the same. I'm going to cut this one a little bit right here. And so they're the same length. And then I'm going to have to strip the wires, so I'm going to do that right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get an X-Acto knife, something like that. To cut them, I have big wire cutters. Alright, so now that we have both of them done like that, you are going to take your microwave transformer that has been modified. You're going to put some safety gear on.
Have no place to go. Have no place to go, darling.
Now that you have everything here, all of it's cut and stuff, you're going to plug it in. So here's the microwave like wire that you plug in normally. You're gonna attach it to these two metal parts that stick out. They're a little bit hard to solder onto, so I just soldered them and taped it to make sure. And then you're gonna plug it in. It might trip the circuit breaker though, so it could take a few tries. So we have our thing, we have our extension cord. Make sure the two ends are not touching any metal or each other. We'll plug it in. And there's the circuit breaker. So now we're gonna try again. There we go. There's a humming going on. Not really sure what it is, but there you have it. And if you get it's hot enough to melt metal. So if we take this broken speaker, pretty cool. So one thing I said that this can do is melt metal and weld. So we're gonna do some of that right now. Here we go. There you have it.